those top lights working. The front bumper has been painted. New day, so another thing to look at on the transit van. Gonna have a look today at the left-hand passenger side wing, front wing. It's got a big hole in it on the cab, so looks like it's a reasonably replaceable part. Get a spare for it, but it looks like it's spot welded in. So I'm gonna see if I can get that off. Use the pictures of the new part as a reference. If I can get this off, then we can get a new one and put it on there, and we can get that painted, and it'll look far better than it does now. If and when I do manage to get this off, I think we can have a look at this area down here as well. I'll be able to get to it, give it a good sand, get that sorted out and painted as well. I'm going to take this part off first. It sort of goes around the corner over there and hooks into the wing. And appears to be missing clips. And that looks like it gives me a great opportunity to clean up in there as well, because that is a bit of a mess. Now those two rivets are off. I think we've got one there that needs to come out, one on the other side, and then we got one there and one there. Another one on the other side's over here somewhere. We get those taken out. Yeah. But my prep was bad. I can see where that wing goes now. It's tucked under there. Gonna need to unweld some of this, and there's a spot there, a spot there. Take this headlight out as well, and I need to take that out. I've disconnected the connector, but that needs to come out. Slowly but surely, we'll get that off. I'm going to have to take this scuttle piece off. I need to do some work around there anyway with the windscreen wiper, because it's leaking into the engine bay, right on top of the carburetor and the air filter. But it looks like we're getting there, getting closer and closer to seeing all the edges of this at least. Luckily I saw where that went. A bunch of different sizes there, long ones for the deep holes and shorter ones for the shallow holes. I just got a text message to say that I'm going to have a delivery soon. It looks like the replacement exhausts that are from Suzuki Grand Vitara, hoping they're the right size, are just about to turn up, so hopefully they should be alright.
I'm not blocking you in mine.
Got no petrol tank in this, not going anywhere.
Oh, fair enough.
Couldn't move if I wanted to.
Sorry, number 30, do you?
My house, you got two exhausts in there by any chance?
Yeah.
I guess what they're for.
Ah.
You mind if I video you just delivering that? That sounds a bit daft, but yeah. Yeah, cool. Just chuck it down there for me. 2 exhaust pipe. 16 quid. Madness, isn't it? Let's use that so we can get it off. Looks like we've got to take this out now. Should be interesting. I'm not sure how well that's in. Another piece off. See, there's various spot welds and bits that are on here, but it's hard to tell what's been spot welded, and I'm gonna have to cut a lot, I think. And just cut the panel off completely and then go back and grind off the rest of the panel. There's a mess up here. It looks like it was replaced but then never painted properly and never primed properly, and then it's just gone rusty. And then where it should be spotted, it's been fully seam welded, which is going to be interesting to get off. So I'll probably cut it along here, all the way along, and then we can see what we can get off with a grinder. See how we go. Looks like a few spots down here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens, see if I can get those off at least. Never know. Hey, we're getting somewhere. Oh, it's glued. Nasty. Oh. Oh, rusty old wing. Well, been having a bit of a tidy up, and there's a fair bit of fixing to do, I think. Got this here, cut that out, all this down here. Still got this to take off. It looks pretty bad, but up here looks pretty solid. It looks like it's been patched before. It's just surface rust on this bit. It's generally actually pretty sturdy and pretty solid, but it all needs cleaning up. I'll unclip these wires and give it even more of a clean and get some primer on it just to stop it going rusty. After we've had maybe get a sanding disc on it, give it a good sand down. I'm slowly getting this piece off. This is looking a bit sad though. It's not hugely strong anyway, but it's pillars look alright though, which is good. That's the main thing. I've got the problem with the door here. I think I'm going to be able to open the door enough where I've got the van to be able to get in there to get this last piece off. So that might be a bit of a fiddle. Maybe Big Si might be able to help me take the door off. Well, we'll see. I've got a lot of work done today, but you might be able to hear it's just starting to rain, so luckily preempted that and put some primer over everything. It's looking pretty good. Really pleased with today's work. If you like this video, give us a like down below, and if you fancy seeing some more of this sort of stuff and other car and van related content, then subscribe, and we shall see you in the next video.